YouTube Premium and YouTube TV are two distinct subscription services offered by YouTube, each catering to different viewing needs. YouTube Premium focuses on enhancing the user experience on the main YouTube platform. Subscribers to YouTube Premium enjoy an ad-free experience across all videos, access to offline downloads, and the ability to play videos in the background, even when the app is minimized. Additionally, YouTube Premium includes YouTube Music Premium, giving subscribers access to a wide range of music without ads, as well as the option to listen offline. On the other hand, YouTube TV is more of a cable alternative, designed for users who want to stream live television. It provides access to live broadcasts from popular networks, including news, sports, and entertainment channels, along with local channels in many areas. YouTube TV subscribers can also record shows with unlimited cloud DVR storage and watch on multiple devices simultaneously, making it a flexible option for households. While YouTube Premium enhances the traditional YouTube experience, YouTube TV caters to viewers looking for a comprehensive live TV solution. Choosing between the two largely depends on your preferences, whether you're looking for an ad-free video experience and music, or a way to watch live TV without a cable subscription.